My name's Dr. Reid Brown. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee replacement surgery. I went into this field because of my experiences as an athlete, and got really interested in orthopedics at a young age. What drew me to hip and knee surgery is I like to build. I like to kind of start with something and see what you're done with. And so I'm kind of into tinkering and the use of power tools. And so hip and knee surgery is kind of the ultimate blend of being able to build and construct, but be able to take care of a patient. I think the most rewarding part is when you see people back in the office after they've recovered from surgery, and to see someone who maybe came in on a walker or with crutches or not able to walk even a short distance, and they come back and they tell me about the trip they took with their grandson hiking a mountain or something. To be able to see the transformation in someone's life from the work we've done, that really recharges your batteries. So away from the office, I'm primarily interested in outdoor activities. So wintertime, I love skiing. I have brothers that live out west, so I like to travel out west and spend time out there. But during the spring and summer, I might be found playing golf or hiking. I like to go to national parks or other outdoor areas out west primarily.